everyone, welcome to Goa's Now Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about applications of ultrasound. Ultrasound refers to sound waves with frequencies higher than 20,000 Hz, though we cannot hear them. But these waves are used in medicine, industry and underwater detection. What is ultrasound? Let's get to know. Human can hear sound between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Waves above that limit are called ultrasonic sound. Bats and dolphins naturally use ultrasound to navigate and find prey. Now let's talk about medical applications in sonography. In hospitals, ultrasound is used for imaging, known as sonography. High-frequency waves are sent into the body and their echoes are used to form images of internal organs such as the livers, heart and kidneys. It's also commonly used during pregnancy to observe the fetus safely. Next, we have the second application in medicine, that is breaking kidney stones. Doctors use ultrasound to treat kidney stones in a process called lithotripsy. Powerful sound waves are focused on the stones, breaking them into tiny pieces that can pass naturally through the urinary tract. Next we have is industrial application of ultrasound in cleaning delicate items. In industries, ultrasound is used to clean delicate objects like jewelry and machine parts. The higher frequency waves create millions of tiny bubbles that remove dust and grease even from the smallest corners. We have another industrial application of ultrasound in detecting cracks. Ultrasound waves help engineers find hidden cracks in metal bodies. When waves hit a defect showing flaws that can't be seen from the surface. This ensures the safety of structures like aircraft, bridges and railway tracks. Now ultrasound is also used in underwater detection in sonar. Ultrasound is also used in sonar technology, short for sound navigation and ranging. Ships and submarines send out ultrasound pulses and listen for echoes to find underwater objects, measure depth, or locate schools of fish. Now let's recap. Ultrasound waves have a wide range of uses, from diagnosing patient and cleaning equipment to ensuring the safety of machines and exploring underwater. These high-frequency waves are a great example of science at work. Now let's check your learning. Pause the video and go through these questions and choose the correct answer. Now let's summarize. Ultrasound technology proves that sound waves, though invisible, can achieve powerful results from improving healthcare, industry and exploration.